Why your body turns into a furnace after 40. The hormone truth behind menopause hot flashes. It starts without warning. 1 second, you're fine. The next, your skin is on fire from the inside, your heart is hammering, you're drenched in sweat, and you have no idea why your own body is doing this to you. Doctors call it a vasomotor symptom. Women who live through it call it something else entirely, and 80% of women going through menopause will experience this. For some, it lasts for over a decade. But what if everything you've been told about hot flashes is only half the story? It's not just hormones. It's about the brain, and understanding that mechanism is the key to taking back control. Meet Sandra. She's 51. She's a project manager, a runner. Sandra hasn't slept a full night in 4 months. It's not stress, it's biological. It's 3 a.m., and for the 6th night in a row, she wakes up soaking. Sandra is not sick. Sandra is going through a massive shift that science is only now beginning to truly understand. It starts deep in the hypothalamus. Your body has a thermostat in the hypothalamus. It keeps your core temperature in a very narrow zone, a comfortable half-degree band, but things change. In that zone, you feel fine, but during menopause, something hijacks that thermostat. Imagine your home thermostat suddenly decided that 68 degrees felt like 90. Your brain panics. It reacts by blasting the AC, dilating blood vessels, and triggering sweat to cool you down from a heat that isn't actually there. The problem is, the thermostat is wrong. Your body wasn't actually overheating until your brain said it was. It's a misfiring alarm system. Estrogen is only part of it. Estrogen alone is not the trigger. Researchers discovered a cluster of neurons called KNDy neurons. When estrogen drops, these neurons go haywire. They begin releasing a chemical called B impulses. Your hypothalamus reads these as an emergency overheat and fires every cooling system. That's a hot flash. That's a hot flash. It's a misfiring alarm system in your brain, not a failure of your body. And knowing which type you're dealing with changes everything. Not all hot flashes are the same, and knowing which type you're dealing with can completely change how you manage them. Here are 3 things most doctors don't know. Here are 3 things most women, and frankly most doctors, don't know. This is the hormone truth behind the heat. Let's talk triggers. Fact 1, hot flashes have triggers, and alcohol is the most underestimated one. Even 1 glass of wine narrows the thermoneutral zone. It raises core body temperature just enough to push your brain over the edge. Studies show alcohol increases frequency by up to 13% in perimenopausal women. That post-dinner glass of red? It might be fueling your 2 a.m. wake-up. Your body and symptoms are having a conversation most treatment plans ignore. But here's the one that surprises everyone. Stress hormones directly interact with those KNDy neurons. Cortisol amplifies neurokinin B release, which means chronic stress isn't just exhausting you, it's literally adding fuel to the fire. Your body and symptoms are having a conversation. Your body's stress response and symptoms are having a conversation, and most treatment plans ignore it. Stress management is medical management. Fact 2, night sweats and daytime hot flashes are not the same thing. Night sweats are triggered differently and for a specific biological reason. They're linked to the natural drop in your core body temperature that should happen during sleep. This drop is the primary trigger. The drop triggers the alarm while you're horizontal and under blankets. Cooling your sleep environment is one of the most effective interventions available. Fact 3, and this genuinely surprised researchers, hot flashes may be a cardiovascular signal. It's about more than just feeling hot. It's about heart health. Women who experience severe flashes early in the transition have measurably different arterial function. Those changes reflect shifts in your heart health. This doesn't mean hot flashes cause heart disease, but they reflect early shifts in heart health that deserve your focus and clinical attention. Listen to the signal. Here's the shift I want you to make. Hot flashes are not punishment, they are not weakness, they are a manageable biological event. You have agency here. And that means they are manageable. Let's talk about what actually works, ranked by evidence strength, starting with the gold standard. Number 1, hormone therapy, still the gold standard. Modern low-dose therapy, particularly transdermal estrogen, reduces frequency by up to 90%. It is highly effective. The blanket fear from the early 2000s has been largely revised. Ask your doctor to revisit the North American Menopause Society guidelines. Number 2, the new non-hormonal breakthrough. In 2023, the FDA approved fezolinetant, a drug that targets the KNDy pathway directly. It blocks neurokinin B receptors. This is the first treatment in decades designed from the mechanism up, and it's changing the conversation for many women. Number 3, the lifestyle lever most women overlook. Paced breathing, slow diaphragmatic breathing at about 6 breaths per minute, simple but powerful. Studies show this reduces frequency by up to 50%. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system and reduces the stress amplification of flashes. It works. Remember Sandra, the woman at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, wondering what was wrong with her? There's nothing wrong with her. She's reacting to biology. Her body is doing exactly what it's designed to do. Understanding that changes everything. You stop fighting your body and start working with it. Now, we covered hot flashes. But there are 4 other misunderstood symptoms of the transition. One is being routinely misdiagnosed as depression. That symptom is being misdiagnosed in women under 45. That video is next. Link is on screen and in the description. Share this with a friend who needs it. If this video gave you clarity, or just the relief of knowing you're not alone, share it. I'm here to translate research into your hands. This is our channel. Subscribe for more deep dives into your health. Drop a comment below. When did you first notice your symptoms? I read every one. Stay curious. Your body is a conversation worth having. I'm here to help you lead it. I'll see you in the next deep dive. Take care.